Welcome back to Amelia Health and Beauty, your go-to channel for all things wellness and beauty related. In today's video, we're diving into the world of nutrition to explore foods rich in vitamin B complex and their incredible benefits. If you're looking to boost your energy levels, support healthy skin and hair, and improve your overall well-being, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. Before we get into the specifics, let's briefly touch upon what vitamin B complex actually is. It's a group of 8 essential vitamins that play a crucial role in maintaining our body's overall health. These vitamins include thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folate, B9, and cobalamin, B12. Each of these vitamins contributes to various bodily functions and offers a unique set of benefits. Number 1. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is essential for converting food into energy. Foods like whole grains, legumes, and lean meats are excellent sources of thiamine. Consuming sufficient amounts of vitamin B1 helps support a healthy metabolism and promotes optimal brain function. Number 2. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, aids in the production of red blood cells and supports good vision and healthy skin. You can find riboflavin in foods such as dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereals. Number 3. Niacin. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is crucial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and supporting proper brain function. Foods rich in niacin include poultry, fish, nuts, and whole grains. Number 4. Pantothenic acid, or vitamin B5, is essential for converting food into energy and plays a role in the production of hormones and cholesterol. Foods like avocados, legumes, and eggs are excellent sources of this vitamin. Number 5. Pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, is involved in more than 100 enzyme reactions within our bodies. It helps support brain development, immune function, and the production of neurotransmitters. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like bananas, poultry, fish, and fortified cereals. Now that we've explored some of the key vitamins in the B complex group and their food sources, let's discuss the benefits of incorporating these foods into your diet. Eating foods rich in vitamin B complex can help increase your energy levels, support a healthy nervous system, improve your skin and hair health, boost your mood, and enhance cognitive function. Additionally, B complex vitamins are crucial for pregnant women as they aid in the development of the fetal brain and spine. So, whether you're looking to maintain your overall health or address specific concerns, adding vitamin B complex rich foods to your diet can have a significant positive impact. To recap, we've explored the benefits of various B-complex vitamins and highlighted their food sources. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure you're meeting your specific nutritional needs. That wraps up today's video on foods rich in vitamin B complex and their benefits. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Amelia Health and Beauty for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and beautiful.